Ever had that sinking feeling when your trusty Dyson V11 just won't wake up? You plug it in, expect that satisfying charging hum, but all you get is silence, or maybe a blinking light that screams, "I'm broken." The can't turn on and charge issue is most frequently caused by a faulty battery. Over time, even the best batteries degrade, losing their ability to hold a charge or deliver power. Ignoring this isn't just annoying. It can lead to reduced cleaning performance and, eventually, a completely unusable vacuum. Who wants a fancy paperweight when you need a powerful cleaner? That's where RoboCare comes in. Don't wait for your Dyson V11 to give up the ghost entirely. At RoboCare, our technicians aren't just general repair people, they're Dyson V11 specialists. With years of dedicated experience, they know these powerful handheld vacuums inside and out, including the intricate power systems. We understand that a Dyson V11 faulty battery isn't just about replacing a part, it's about restoring your vacuum's core functionality with precision. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools to confirm the exact battery fault, ensuring we address the root cause, not just the symptoms. Our process is meticulous. We carefully inspect the entire power circuit, diagnose the exact battery fault, and replace it with genuine components. This isn't a quick fix, it's a lasting solution, performed by experts who truly care about extending the life of your Dyson. Let us show you the results. And just like that, the power is back. Your Dyson V11 fully charged, fully functional, and ready to tackle any mess with its signature suction. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience. Honestly, if you're a Dyson V11 owner or any vacuum owner and you're experiencing the dreaded can't turn on and charge issue, or any other problem for that matter, you have to try RoboCare. They specialize in these kinds of repairs, and it really shows in the quality of their work and their knowledge. Don't let a dead battery hold you back. For all your Dyson V11 repair needs or any other vacuum issues, contact RoboCare today.